coin. So, I was tracking puro pa. Ba, ikaw yung murder ID, iman buang nilig yung lack of kills. So, something... This is murder. Buang! So, hi everyone! Welcome back to our video. It's Buang! Wait lang, B, balik! Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. It's me here and we are playing to Murder Mystery 2 that updated. And I have 2 eggs or rare egg something anyway. Bitch. Oh my god, you said innocent. Bitch, bakit ako innocent? Bayod nakasaan na sa utok na baho siya. I'm joking now. Girl, I joking. You are trying to tell me. Glittering comfort.
I wonder what happens when you mix hot lava.
Stop it! She's lagging off.
You're about to find out.
How to kill. Look lang die by you. Okay, so I'm collect the coins, but she's a freaking annoying. Okay, let's go! Okay, I'm collecting the coins. So I was tracking puro pa. Ba, ikaw yung murder ID, iman buang nilig yung lack of battery. So ano? Buang ka ay kupat. Hindi gamay. Sige, sige. Kanay! I just have freaking, what? Freaking, oh, the sheriff. Oh my god, in the freaking murder. Yung murder sheriff, ay may mga buong. Wala po dito mag-buong, hindi lang kaya kailan ito. Marag ako lang may own, okay, I'm collecting the kills, but wala yung nag-kill ko, something... This is murder. Buang! Adong amod? Ay. Ulo sa imuha. Yabay! Inuho ko. Pero nga naman, why? Guys, edit-to-taste to na ako. I-flashback to na ako. Yate. Kaya sa kamad. Siya diri umurag tala. Okay, so, let's go. Na siya diri umurag tala. Na siya? Bugo! Kill. Lagang signal. Ay! Hello, oh my god, may freaking logging, bitch. Yes, lala. Okay. Where she go? Okay, freaking. Oh! Kuya, ang binak ko na! May gamay! Hello, oh my god. Time's up na eh! Oh my god, nag-aaway sila dito kasi matatanga sila. Mga tangina nyo ko. Okay, so. Oh my god! Okay, so. Okay, I'm a freaking innocent bee. Like, I'm a freaking murderer. Don't kill me, please. Oh, iya. Diba? Freaking liban-liban. Joking about him. Burikat na bayot. Charet. Okay. Okay, liking. Picture ba? Duha man yung buo ko. Skin say murderer. May gamay ng murderer. As in, mag-click na sa tag-red coins, guys. Kaya nga nila takabuang si click of coins. May gamara, bitch. Okay. So, mo-click na red coins, guys. Kaya natay gamay. For this video, Natin gamay natin. May litik tag gamay. May buwang tag gamay. Uy, damada! Alangan, kay buwang man ang murder. Oh, the freaking gone. Nagyawa! Naglako ko ipay! Wala! Ibawan! Wala, uy. Wala, uy! Kapang gisip ko. Wait lang! May gamay. Sure. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to click the button and subscribe to the video. Bye-bye!